because Christian David is playing good basketball, although he is up and down. Ilagans points in the ball game.
He'll give it up. Nice cut there by Troy.
His teammate's better basket.
Mamuyak with the layup there. 1-point lead. And they're off and running. Felix inside.
Blackwater.
Tato will put...
But was still in good balance to launch that and make that. And a counter shot once.
27-24 is our tally. Why not another shot here?
Incredible explosion for the white shirts.
David from deep.
Oh!
Yes. Oh, that's right.
Yes.
What a huge four.